Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading Scaredy Squirrel Goes Camping by Melanie. Scaredy Squirrel Goes Camping. Scaredy Squirrel never goes camping. He'd rather be comfortable inside than risk going out in the rugged wilderness. Besides, setting up camp seems a lot of trouble. A few troublemakers. Scaredy Squirrel is afraid to get too close for comfort. Skunks, mosquitoes, quicksand, the three bears, penguins, zippers. So he finds a simple way to sit back and enjoy camping from a safe distance. Scaredy Squirrel sets up his new television, but he realized there was a problem. He needs to plug it in. Reaching the nearest electrical outlet will require major survival skills. A few survival supplies Scaredy Squirrel needs to pack: really long extension cord, popsicles, tomato juice, bag of cement, dictionary, pilot, instant oatmeal, fan, the wildness outfit, netted hat to dodge bugs, penny to bring good luck, nose plug to bypass nasty outdoors, walkie-talkie to stay in contact, camouflage jacket to blend into the great outdoors, rubber boots to be quick and dry, badge to signal peaceful intentions, water wings to stay afloat, neckerchief to scout. The Scaredy motto: a prepared camper is a happy camper. The campground mission. The comfort zone. Place a walkie-talkie at foot of tree to stay in contact. Mosquitoes are itching to get you. Fan yourself to blow up these thirsty critters. Keep a nose out for skunks. If sprayed overcooked, wash off the stink with gallons of tomato juice. Whenever they are coolest, penguins rule. They're as cold as ice and won't warm up to you. Toss popsicles to octopi their sharp beaks. Wear water wings. Stay above it all. Quicksand will bring you down. To avoid that sinking feeling, mix in cement. Campsite holds a zillion zippers. If you get caught, the pilot to break loose. If you're not of the woods until you get past the three bears, their weakness, oatmeal. Serve in a quick bowl and do not snooze. Nose plugs are a must in this area. Self to self. If outlet is too high, use dictionary as a step. Electrical outlet is here. The rubber boot camp. Warm-up routine. Repeat 143 times. And finish training charts. Obstacle course practice run. Outdoor conditions. Sun, go. Cloud, wait. Rain, wait. Wind, wait. Snow, wait. Volcano activity, cancel. The following afternoon, right on the schedule, Scaredy Squirrel proceeds toward the campground. Scaredy tugs, he pulls, he loops the loops, but suddenly a penguin appears. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. He spins. He dashes, he bolts, he splashes, he climbs. and takes cover and plays dead. 30 minutes later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. Scaredy Squirrel finally gets the drift. He forgets all about the skunks, mosquitoes, quicksand, 3 bears, penguins, and zippers. The wildness isn't meant to be seen from afar. It's meant to be enjoyed up close. Scaredy breathes the fresh air, savors roasted marshmallows, gathers pine cones, listens to songs, and gets comfortable. Early the next morning, Scaredy Squirrel plugs in his extension cord and follows it back home. The wild adventure has inspired him to approach camping differently. P.S. Some things are worth the trouble. And I hope you enjoy this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.